Finally got to installing the track wing. It's been years since I had it installed. As you can see, it is pretty excessive. It's made by Kognition. I don't know if they're still making wings anymore. No, they quit for a while. They have another line. I will post up the link to what they're doing right now. But yeah, this was one of the last ones made. It was not custom, but I had to request it to be made. The owner gladly made it for me when I told him it was for an S chassis. It's 70-inch wingspan. Let me see if I can get it into screen. So you can see it's pretty wide. The whole chassis. It's only mounted for tryout. I tried to get the leading edge as matched to the roof as I could. I'll do that later on with a string. Just wanted to get installed before I keep on working on the car, make some space like I've always been complaining in my recent videos. So it's been a while since I uploaded any vlog type material on the page. So before I started uploading like all the new content, I want to give like a quick summary of what's happening while I was out. As you saw at the beginning of this video, I already installed back the wing. This is track wing. If you've ever asked why I've been searching around for like a new hatch, this is the reason. It was gutted in the past. This was going to be a track car. That's not the purpose of it anymore, so I'm looking for a hatch to replace that rusted and gutted one right now. As for what's been completed beside that, I have completed installing all the rear suspension. This is how it's gonna look, hopefully, in the end when everything is aligned. Fitment can be better. I know this is only eyeballing it with the OEM ones, so I'm pretty happy with how it's gonna look. Might use maybe a small spacer in the rear, but something I noticed was this side is a lot more sunken, as you can see. This is without any alignment at all. This is only eyeballing it with the OEM arms, so that might be the reason. But I'm also worried, not that the subframe is shifted or anything, but more that this quarter panel, when I bought the car all those years ago, that quarter panel had been crashed. It was repaired, and I'm hoping that it's not symmetric with the other side. So hopefully that's not the case. I'll see what I can do with that after we get an alignment, but I think I'm gonna keep this fitment for the moment. I am gonna raise it a little bit. As you can see, it's a little bit too low for this alignment that I have right now, so I'm gonna raise it a bit. But for now, I'm gonna start working on the front, get all the suspension components I want, and get this thing without that bunch of spacers and the OEM suspension. So let's start working on it. before I start working on the car, I want to check how everything's down here. I will be replacing almost everything. Let me check. We have the coilovers from BC Racing, new brake lines, new tie rods. I will be cleaning up the rack, see if that's in good condition. I thought my tension rods were in good condition, but let me see if I can get a close up here. So you can see they are pretty rusted out. I'll remove them and check how that spherical is doing, see if it has any play. I will also be replacing that, there we go, sway bar and link. It's all destroyed. I will be cleaning everything out before I continue working, see if I can get it cleaned out and undercoated. So start working on that.